Estamos bien.
Welcome to Spanish with Profe Nano and Teacher Catalina.
Made for the little ones to start learning Spanish.
Today, we are going to be counting the animals in the farm.
We seem to have a lot of them, Profe Nano, right?
Sí.
So we better get to the farm, el rancho. Vamos.
Wow, look at all those animals, Teacher Catalina.
Hay muchos animales. Muchos. Can you try to say that, Profe Nano?
Muchos.
Muchos, a lot. Hay muchos animales. Very good. There are a lot of animals. So we better start counting them. Profe Nano, ¿cuántos animales ves? ¿Cuántos animales ves? How many animals do you see? Can we try to say that question together? ¿Cuántos animales ves? That sounded really good. So, Profe Nano, ¿cuántos animales ves?
I think we're gonna learn the numbers in Spanish. 1 to 10.
I think that's a great idea because yo veo muchos animales. I see a lot of animals. ¿Ves muchos animales?
Sí.
Muy bien. So, let's get on con los números. Números.
Whoa, look at that bird, Teacher Catalina.
Un pájaro. Can you say that, Profe Nano?
Pájaro.
Muy bien. Un pájaro. Your turn. Very good. So we're going to say un when we're talking about a masculine noun. Pájaro is masculine. But if we were counting, we would say uno. If we're saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we would say uno. But since we're talking about a bird and we want to say a bird, one bird, we would say un pájaro. That's a long word. Try again. Un pájaro. You sounded great, Profe Nano. Chócalas. Excelente. Profe Nano, veo. I see dos burros.
Sí. 2 burros.
Muy bien. Dos burros. Veo. I see dos burros.
2 burros.
Good try, Profe Nano. Burros.
Burros.
That sounds better. Remember, that double R can get a little tricky. So all we can do is try. Burros. Good. So far we have uno, dos. Uno, dos. Muy bien.
Teacher Catalina, veo 3 pollitos.
¿Dónde? Where?
On your shoulders and your head.
Uh-oh. 3 pollitos. Can you say it?
3 pollitos.
That sounded great. 3 pollitos.
3 pollitos.
Muy bien, Profe Nano. Muy bien. Now we have uno, dos, tres. Good job.
¡Wow! 4 vacas.
Veo 4 vacas. ¿Las ves? Do you see them? Muy bien. Veo 4 vacas. So now we have uno,
2,
3, 4. Muy bien. Good job, Profe Nano. Chócalas.
Teacher Catalina, I hear another crazy animal on my farm.
That's because yo veo 5 cerdos. Veo 5 cerdos. Muy bien. 5 cerdos. Wow, great job. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Muy bien.
Chócalas.
Yes. ¿Qué ves?
Llamas.
Muy bien. Veo
6
llamas. That's right. Do you see them too? ¿Las ves? Veo 6 llamas. Muy bien. So now we can count up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Profe Nano, don't look back. Don't look. I peeked. Y veo 7 caballos. Veo 7 caballos. Can you try to say that? 7 caballos. Very good. Can we count together, Profe Nano? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Profe Nano, you have to see this. Look how cute. Veo 8 gatos. Veo 8 gatos. Now we should count to 8. ¿Listos? Are you ready? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Teacher Catalina, I have something cuter.
Really?
9 perros.
That's right. Veo 9 perros. That's another double R, so let's try together. 9 perros. Try again. That sounds good. 9 perros. So, Profe Nano, do you think we can count to 9?
Sí.
Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9.
That's our 9. Muy bien, 9. Profe Nano, I'm not sure you will like what's behind us. Maybe you will like it, me gusta, or maybe no me gusta. But veo 10 ratones.
Aww.
Veo 10 ratones. Now we should be able to count to 10. ¿Listos?
Sí.
Ok, vamos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ¡Chócalas! Muy bien. So now you reviewed los animales and you should also know how to count from 1 to 10. Muchas gracias, Profe Nano. Thank you very much. And muchas gracias to you too. Thank you to you too. I am going to go play with some perros. I love perros. So I will see you later. Adios.
I'm gonna stay here and tell you something. Hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, smash that like button. And if you want to know when they're posted, even our videos, you can hit that notification bell. Ring-a-ling-ding-ding. Now I'm gonna go play with Teacher Catalina and some perros. Adios.